Hey there, fellow learners. We're here taking a look at our Project Read syllable patterns, and we are on Unit 30. We're plugging along, and here we have the vowel pattern. Now, I know you guys are thinking, well, we've done this before. This vowel pattern's a little bit different, so we're going to talk about how it's different today. So it is our fifth on our cutting patterns. Here's the ones we've covered so far. You know this from the past, that some vowel teams cannot be split. They need each other to make that one vowel sound. So here's the vowel teams that cannot be split. Just as a reminder, so we have the AI and like male, al, where you hear that long A sound. The EA vowel teams, these cannot be split up. They make one vowel sound. The two E's, the IE, that long I sound, the OA sound. So you guys, when you see these vowel teams, they cannot be split up. We're going to be working with words today where those teams, where those two vowels will be split because each vowel has its own sound. So taking a look, the way we'll be breaking these vowels today is by right down the middle. Those two vowels will be separated. So we'll have vowel, vowel, with that separation between the vowels. So each vowel will make a sound. Here we have vowel, break, vowel. Vowel, break, vowel. So this will make two separate pieces within that word, two separate sounds. Okay, you guys, let's practice. All right, get your whiteboards. Go ahead and pause if you need to. Grab those whiteboards or grab that piece of paper if you're at home, and let's get some practice on, okay? Just gonna grab my marker because you guys, I forgot. Okay, so here we go. We're going to practice with a couple of words that I've selected out. So when I write, you go ahead and write, and you can kind of see maybe where that vowel separation is. So on the top of my board, I'm gonna write vowel, vowel, and put that separation right there in the middle of them because that's the pattern we're going to be following. So let's read the word liar. All right, liar, that IA doesn't make a sound together. So we're going to, as this pattern shows, separate those. And we're going to find that a lot of times this first vowel, I might say it's long sound. So let's try it out. Liar, liar. So that's where we have two vowels, each having to hold their own and make their own sound. So liar, that's how we would sound that word out. All right, you guys go ahead and erase. I'm going to leave that up there just so we remember. Next word, you ready? I'm not going to say it this time. I'm going to let you write it. Okay. Hey, you can, if you want to, give it a shot. Go ahead and put that separation. You divide those, separate. Well, my pattern says separate them between the two vowels. And often that first vowel will make its long sound, not always, but often. So let's try p-o, po, et, poet, poet. This is the word poet, where each vowel through separation will make its own vowel sound. Two vowels, two separate sounds. All right, go ahead and erase. All right, next. I'm not going to say it, I'm just going to write it. What do you see? What word do you see? Let's break it and see if we can sound it out before I say the whole word. I have the two vowels. Gonna separate it right there with my line. Oh, remember if an I, E, or Y follows behind a G, the G says J. So J, I, giant, giant, giant. Those two vowels did make each a separate sound. Giant. Here we go. This time, you guys, lion. Oh man, I gave it to you. Division right in the middle. Long sound, lion. All right, the next one, I'm not saying it. This will be our last one for today's work session. Teachers, pause anytime you need to where you want to talk to the class and have them divide it first before I show them the division. Okay. Vowel, vowel. Well, it shows right there. I need to put it right between the two vowels. Let's see. Is it making its long sound? F, U, few. L, fuel. Fuel. All right. So we're seeing that pattern. So you guys, when you see this out in the real world, when you're reading with your Just Right book, work on sounding these words out with this vowel pattern. For my online learners, you will be practicing breaking up these words with this work page. So for my online learners, go ahead. You're going to X out of this video when it's done and go to the next document in this post.